In the last class, we have discussed regarding the enterprise structure, right? In enterprise structure, we have created like company or client and company code, plant, storage location, and purchasing organization. So in this class, we will discuss regarding the controlling, and controlling is basically it is the work of the controlling consultant or FICO consultant, right? So if you are a like a consultant, you should not worry about the controlling part. You just know how the controlling configuration is taking place. So accordingly, in your practice system, you have to do that. So let me log in first. So first you have to go through SVRO, then SAP reference IMG, then come to controlling, then general controlling, then go to organization, then click on maintain controlling area. So then click on maintain controlling area. So I just click over here, then go to new entry. Then here I have to put, let example JIND is the controlling area of mine. I just give the name same as my company code. So you may give any name. So controlling area is JIND. Give the name general controlling, and then click here the drop down controlling area same as company code. Then click here. Then choose the drop down bottom and make it company code currency 10. Then currency is INR. Then it will come automatically, right? Chart of accountant accounts and partial year variance, it will come automatically. I just have to put over here JIND. JIND is my company code, and I have put over here. Then click enter. An entry already exists with the same key. So I have already the same controlling area. So that's why the error is coming. So if you are doing the very first time, so you have to put this way and then just go to save it. Okay. So first you will save it, and after save, I just show you. I have already created it. So JIND I have already created, and you have to create accordingly. So then select the line item, then click on assignment of company codes. So then click on assignment with company codes. Then this screen will come. Then you have to click on new entries. Then put your company code name. Like I just put my company code name JIND. Then just select the line item and save it. Okay. So now company code is assigned to my controlling area. So then select the line item and click on activate components. Okay. So here already everything is activated, but yes, if you are doing first time, you have to put the fiscal year 2023, you have to put, then cost center, you have to click here component activate, then you have to click on component activate over here also, and here you have to click on component activate. Then here you have to choose component activate for parallel calculation. Then select all the checkbox, right? You are doing first time, all the checkbox will be in blank mode. So you have to select all the checkbox like over here, right? And after that, you have to save it. So now controlling is done, completed. So go back, just go back, then go back again. Okay. So then you have to do maintain number ranges for controlling documents. So click here. Then I have to put the controlling area over here. What I have created JIND. So what you have created, you have to put over there controlling area. Then click on groups. Then click on groups from the top. Then click on create. Then I just click here and see the free intervals over here. So here the free interval is present from this number to that number. So I just choose that number. Let's give a name first. So let example Jindal controlling is the name. Then I just put the number range over here to this number and I just make it triple line. Then select the line item. Then save it. So the number range has been saved and the number is 01. Start from 01 over here you are seeing, right? 01. So we have to assign right now. So go back. Here what I do, I just have to click on coin, then click on element groups, and here you are seeing 01 is present, 01 controlling area. So I just click over the number, then click on continue, then save it. So now the controlling area has been saved. So this way you have to do the controlling part. So as I say, it is not your work. You just know how the steps are taking place. Then everything will fine. So thank you so much.